السلام علیکم. میرا نام عندلیپ ہے اینڈ آئی بلانگ ٹو گاندربل ایریا آف کشمیر. سو آئی ایم این آرٹسٹ. I was self-taught for some time, but I thought ki self-taught is not enough. Let's learn basics, techniques. I used to help my friends in science diagrams, art competitions. Basically, I was an engineering student, diploma engineering student. Then I told my parents that I'm good at art. Why can't I make it my profession? Ghar walon ka, they were little, worried. Initially they resisted. They said, no, you can't do that. People here know very less about it. Like, इसमें डिग्री हमें मिलती है, प्रोफेशनलिज्म है. सो फिर आफ्टर टेलिंग देम एवरीथिंग, इसमें एक कॉलेज भी है यहाँ पे कश्मीर यूनिवर्सटी में. फिर मैंने वहाँ पे एडमिशन लिया. आई एम इनटू कैलीग्राफी, जिससे मेरे को बहुत सुकून मिलता है. आई डोंट नो क्यों, बट कैलीग्राफी रियली मेक्स मी हैप्पी. यहाँ पे कैलीग्राफी नहीं सिखाते हैं. इवन इन आर्ट कॉलेज नोबडी टीच यू कैलीग्राफी. सो इट्स अप टू यू, आप कितने ध्यान से सीखेंगे, आप में कितनी चाह है वो सीखने की. उसमें आई वुड लाइक टू कंटिन्यू कैलीग्राफी इन फ्यूचर इंशाल्लाह. I recently learned doodle art. I'm looking forward to learn more because there's a lot to learn for an artist. My first order was sketching. So yeah, I made this sketch for a guy, but he didn't pay. So I got little, discouraged. So I thought, no, I have got no talent or what. People used to say like, इसमें कुछ नहीं है. What are you doing, Andleep? You have nothing to do. You have ruined your life. You have ruined your future. But I was positive. Every time I was positive. I said them, okay, you are doing what you are doing. Let me do what I want to do. Then after first commission, I got paid. And I felt so good. I felt so satisfied. I thought, no, I'm happy. If this is what makes me happy, I'm gonna do it. By this way or another way, I will do it. Inshallah, I'll try my best. I'm giving it my best. So yeah, I'll try to bring it out in a national level. हमारी आर्ट गैलरी है in old secretariat, तो हमें मौका मिलता है. As compared to self-taught artists, we have got many opportunities as a professional student. We have got so many good artists. I would say मेरे से भी अच्छे good artists हैं. But what problem is that they have too less knowledge about it. Like they don't know. मतलब इसको हम आगे जाके हम अपना प्रोफेशन भी बना सकते हैं. They are really shy. उनके लिए मैं बोलना चाहूँगी, आप आगे आओ, आप इस आर्ट को और सीखो और दूसरों को भी अवेयर करो. लाइक यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट, इट्स अ बिग अचीवमेंट. कम फॉरवर्ड, अपना टैलेंट दिखाओ लोगों को. आप बहुत कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हो, आप इसको प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे भी ले सकते हो. आर्ट फॉर मी इज़ लाइक इट्स अ पैशन, satisfaction. So it really gives me peace whenever I feel little low or I usually feel low at confidence. It's what gives me confidence.